Let's move on to challenge 3. What we have in challenge 3, but first you just can change its name to solve, or rename it to solve. Okay, it's done. Now next part is challenge 3. Okay, we have a PNG file. Let's open it. xdg-open, file name, could not load image. Let's do file, run file on this file flag.png. It says data, it's the PNG one. Let's check. Head, oh sorry, not this one. xd hyphen, it just shows us hex term or hex value of the file. If I'm not wrong, it's xdg-r. Yeah, here we go. We can see our hex term. We have to check beginning. Okay, start with idr and have to be end with end. Yeah, it's end. We get something. Let's run strings into this file. Okay, it says flag not found. Flag is 404 not found. Again, it's not a flag. Echo -n md5 sum 75, and at the end it's a6. Yeah, it's not a flag, but it starts with ISDR, but something is off. Let's see what is the file signature of PNG. Of PNG. List of file signature. We have to find the signature of PNG file. Okay, it says PNG and we have small PNG. Okay, we can fix this problem with hex editor. Yeah, it is. So what we have to fix? Capital PNG. Let's not save it. I guess I did something wrong, and do it again. Select this one and capital P, then N, and then G. 89, 50, 40, 47, 0D, 0A. Okay. Let's check it's fixed or not. Let's run file command again on this file. Okay, it identifies its resolution also. Let's open it up. Okay, but firstly we used hex editor to fix wrong file picture. And what we did, we converts one PNG to .png in text editor. Secondly, let's see. I guess we found the flag like we did in QR code. Next, dg hyphen open. Let's open it up. Another binary. I'm not going to type all the things out, so let's use an online tool, OCR, online character recognition. It will do it for us. Let's use first one. We don't need this one. No web QR. Not this one also. Okay, let's select the file. Here with third challenge, binary one, and let's convert it into text file. It takes some time. Let's use another one or another OCR tool. Let's do another one. Let's put OCR online. I guess we used first one, online OCR. It's not working, so we are just go for second one. Yeah, it takes so long. Let's use this one. The third one. Let's start with this one. Have to select this. Okay, let's find OCR of this file. Here we go. Okay, let's use another. We use decoder. Let's see it is the QR one or not. We have to use English one, so /en to English. Now binary code, binary. Let's put it here and nothing appropriate. Let's use another one. Binary code. Okay, binary number. Let's convert binary, or we can use this one. It also contains the binary to text or binary to anything. Okay, we have to put it here, and from binary we got our flag. So found binary inside PNG image, and we used online OCR tool, this one. This worked perfectly fine and give us the flag. Use this and it provides us with binary string data. After that we used this one to convert binary to ASCII. We can simply type, we have to convert binary to P text, and we got our flag. And the flag is this one. OCR is much faster. Yeah, OCR is much faster. This one is also done. Let's save it and mark it as save or solved. Challenge 3 and convert it into solved. Now we have only 2 challenges left.